I just pulled into the Habitat for Humanity Restore in Kent, and I'll be meeting Amy from Yosoboho here, her Aunt Beth, and her mom, Marla. Yay, we're at the Restore in Kent. Look who I found. Hello. Here's the prices for today. So we're looking for some green and blue tags. They have 90% off Christmas, but I didn't find anything really good. Unbelievable. Here's the bowl I just found at, where did I find it at? Goodwill, that I replaced, that I broke. And there's a whole set of them, and they're 50 cents each. Here is today's mystery item. What do you think this is? I don't know, but if you do, put it in the comments below so we'll all know. He's darling. I love him, but he has a little defect on his hat. Look how cute this is.
I don't know if it's worth $4 though.
It's half off. So I think I'm going to scoop that up for my booth. Well, they have tons of Avon. I think this is cute. It's a little oil lamp, and then this one. Super cute. Ooh, I like the Liberty Bell too. That one looks like a big rig. I think my dad might have had something like that. There's a bunch down here too. I'm sort of interested in this. It's Party Light, and it would be half off of $5. So I'm gonna ask Amy about that. Oh, I think it's actually missing something in this hand. Forget it. This is funny, and it's only 25 cents. It's from the Far Side. I don't know if there's a discount on yellow or not. I'll have to check. Just looking to see if I can find any mugs for my booth. See a bunny. Oh, that's so cute. What's it say? Some bunny loves you. That's darling. I gotta pick this up for Mom. It's $1. We love the Statler brothers. I had a rather large area of furniture, and there was some really good deals. Aren't these 2 chairs and little table amazing? If I had a place to put these, I would definitely consider them. A hutch for $35? Yeah, it needed a little bit of work, but wow, amazing price. Amy had showed this store before in her video, so I was anxious to go there. I could see this being a place, if you hit on the regular, you're going to find something pretty good. They had a really great furniture section in the back, and their other departments were well stocked too. So I only found 5 items, which wasn't too bad. And if you noticed at the beginning of my footage, it showed you what the specials were. So if you can time it right, you can maybe get some really good bargains. The first thing I have to show you, I'm always looking for record albums for my mom and I to enjoy together. We both love the Statler brothers. This record is from 1978. And let's see, yep, there's the tag. It was only $1. We've listened to it over and over already and are really enjoying it. I'm always looking for some good mugs for my mug rack in my booth. And I found 2 that I wanted to buy. So this one says, "Some Bunny Loves You." It's super sweet. And this rabbit or bunny looks like the pet that I had named Louie. So that made it extra special, but that's going in my booth for spring. It was $1.25, and I'm sure there was a little bit of a discount on that. And then this one is just funny. It's by the Far Side, and it says, "The other side, why do you need a reason?" And there's a chicken ready to cross the road. So I thought that was pretty funny. And this mug was $1.25 as well. So both of those will be for sale in my booth. And then let's see, this little guy, I think he's so adorable, and he's damaged, but I'm gonna fix him. Now I sound like Amy. Another project. See, his hat is all destroyed. So I was talking to Beth, and she suggested just putting a whole new piece of felt up there for the hat. So that's what I'm gonna try. He's just so cute. He looks like a gourd, but look at that face. Can you see it? And he was 50 cents and probably a little bit of percentage off. I didn't get a receipt. I forgot to ask for one. All right, and lastly, I'm really excited about this item that I found. I think it's darling. Look at this adorable little oil lantern. It's rather tiny compared to some that I have, especially the base. The globe is pretty regular size, but the base is kind of tiny. And I just love the detail on it. I hope it's showing up. And it's got the little handle, which kind of reminds you of the lamps that they would carry before we had electricity. I keep feeling like I'm out of screen. But it was $10, and then this pink was half off. So I got that for $5. And I thought that would be sweet to put in my booth for Valentine's Day. For some reason, it looks very romantic to me. All right, that's it that I got at the Restore. I would definitely go back and try it again. I was very happy to go there. All right, my favorite for myself is going to be the album. And then for resale, it's going to have to be this. All right, let's move along to our next stop. The next stop is a store called Viva Vintage. Again, new to me. And Amy had shown it before in a video, and I thought, wow, I want to go there. So let's take a look at the footage that I took there, and then I'll show you what I got. Next stop is Viva Vintage. I've never been here either. Where do you get in? Over here? There it is. Wow, there's so many cool things at Viva Vintage. I've never seen anything like this before. A phone minder, and what a cool travel alarm clock. These are just adorable. I think they were salt and pepper shakers. And look, Holly Hobby material. How cute is that? Hallmark ballerina party favors. Oh my gosh, wouldn't that have been fun? 4 for $1. Love that. And this little girl I just thought was darling. And look at the colors. Here's just a small representation of the tons of vintage Christmas that was there. Oh, I was so happy to see it all. I really liked that Santa on the right there. I should have checked into him more, but I didn't really need him. And then I discovered this die cut that's flocked. The pumpkin is flocked, hanging on the wall. Had to have it. I would definitely love to go back here closer to Christmas and just see all of the vintage Christmas that she puts out, and maybe find some new items to add to my collections. Those chairs are amazing. They swivel too. There's 3 of them. check out this tree. Oh, I love that. And there's a smaller one over here. This is a very interesting corner here. Some vintage clothing. This, I have something in my hand. I don't want to drop it. But this is so cute. I've been looking for Valentine's stuff and thought maybe it was a towel. It's a nightgown. Look how sweet. This is the cutest salt and pepper shaker. The top comes apart and it's actually a salt and pepper. Some very nostalgic stuff here on the shelf. And look at these mushrooms. They're so cute. $40. I do have a vintage desk lamp obsession. It was so much fun looking there. There was lots of layers and you could dig, which I love to do. Lots of jewelry in the front and just really some special things. And then there was drawers you could dig in. I found some of the stuff in drawers, so I was really happy to go there and definitely want to go back. Let's see what I picked up. I saw this and I picked this up for my friend Melody from Pennsylvania, from Melody's Many Miscellaneous. I talk about her all the time. She has a collection of these kaleidoscopes. I wasn't sure if she would want it or not because it's a little damaged, but she said they are hard to find and to snag it, so I did. And then I was digging in these drawers, and well, first of all, I found this one hanging on a wall. You know how I love my die cuts. This is a die cut and it's flocked. So I had to pick this up. I'm super excited about this. This is staying with me. I love it. And then I thought this one was super cute. I picked up this one. And lastly, I found this. Let me think of what it's called. It's a die cut with a honeycomb. Whoops. It's going to need a little bit of repair. It's not in the greatest shape, but I knew that going in. I'm just going to try to hold it up. Isn't this darling? I love the cat's eyes. He's given the side eye and then the little honeycomb. So it's not real big. This will tuck into my decor real easy. So that's all staying with me. And then, are you ready? I found probably my favorite item of the whole day. It's so hard to tell because we got so much good stuff. At least I did. I think everybody did. Ready? Here's what I found. Oh my goodness. These are salt and pepper shakers. You can hardly see the holes. Their holes are in the eyes. Whoop. I've never seen these before. I think they're adorable. They'll probably go in my kitchen, even though most of my collection of smiley faces is in my craft room. But I think these will probably go in my kitchen. So I was so happy to find those. This is over my kitchen sink, and here's where I put my new salt and pepper shakers for now. If you're in those areas or can make a trip to those areas, I recommend both the Restore and Viva Vintage. I had to look at my little note so I don't get the name wrong because I've never been there before. All right, again, the addresses will be in the description box. I would love to hear what your favorites are. Of course, my favorite from Viva Vintage is these. And I already gave you my favorites from the Restore. That's it for today. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure to go over to Amy's channel. She's going to be showing what she found at the same stores. If you're not subscribed to Amy, I highly recommend it. She's very entertaining and very knowledgeable. So you're going to learn a lot from her channel. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, I'll link that below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.